Hey guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing of two products from FosPower, and they're the kids headphones. I got two little helpers with me today, and this is Eva, and that's Ensign. How old are you guys?
I'm 8. I'm 9.
All right, are you guys ready for the unboxing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, gonna give you guys one each. There you go, one for you. Okay, ready to dig in? See what's inside?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Ooh. I like the color.
Yeah?
I like the hearts a lot.
That's good. Oh, they're adjustable, huh?
Yeah. I can wear these while playing games.
That's cool. Are they comfortable?
Uh-huh.
It comes with a detachable mic
Ooh.
and a standard cable.
I like the mic.
Yeah? Are you surprised it has a mic?
Yeah. I like it. I can play games with it. What is in here?
What do you think?
I think they're, headphones.
Ooh, look at that.
I like the blue on there and the green and the space design on it.
Nice.
They're comfortable and they fit my size.
That's cool.
I can chat with my friends when I'm playing games or when I'm recording a video.
Are you guys ready to test out the headphones?
Yeah.
Yeah? You excited?
Yeah.
All right. Got a little device here for you to test it out. Let me know what you think. All right, let's play some videos.
Sounds good. Yeah. I really like these headphones because it's really clear and it blocks out all the outside noises. I like the bass and the sound, and these headphones are really nice.
As a parent, what I like about this headphones is it has a volume limiter on it, which is set at 85 decibel, and it is the recommendation by the World Health Organization. You don't want your kids to be listening to stuff that at high volume. And it also comes with detachable mics as well, which is perfect for online learning and also for them to talk to their friends while they're playing games. It has adjustable headbands, adjustable earmuffs too, which pretty much will fit a lot of head sizes and head shapes, and it has a very comfortable earmuffs as well. So what do you guys think about the headphones?
I really like them. They're really cool. Yeah.
How would you rate them out of 10 stars?
100 out of 10. 100 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
That's impressive. Would you recommend it to your friends and families and cousins?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I would get one myself too, I think.
Can we have these? Yeah, can we have them?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Yay!